So this is the filter right here. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. It's dirty. So this here is the exhaust mount. You don't have to take it all the way out, but if you do, it's actually gonna help you later to get the oil pan out, because you saw how not easy it was to actually maneuver and take it out. And plus this one's in a way, the plastic undercover or whatever it's called, that was kind of holding in a dipstick. You can see, where is it? Right there, the leftover or dipstick tubing. There's a dipstick somewhere on that side. So I'm gonna let it drain or drip all the way down, or whatever. It's gonna drip out, and put the new filter on. You have to service your transmission. Doesn't matter if it's manual or automatic. This is the well that I drained it. See what color it is? And this is the color that it's supposed to be. Pretty close, huh?
That's good.